So I'm going to get started here by throwing a couple of toasted everything bagels into my food processor. Go ahead and slip the lid on. And we'll just pulse these up for about a minute or two. And I should mention, if you don't have a food processor, you can kind of chop them up or even use a blender for that matter. Take a peek inside and these look about perfect. This is just about the way you want them. Now you don't have to use everything bagels, you can use the bagel of your choice. Alrighty, we'll just go ahead and slip these into a bowl. Then throw in half a cup of powdered Parmesan. I use the powder, you can use grated, but the powder works a lot better in this case. About half a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes, depending on how hot you want it. Now this is totally optional too. A teaspoon of onion powder. And another teaspoon of good old garlic powder. I just love garlic. Then of course we shall just mix everything together. And as I always say, the seasoning is just a suggestion, so go ahead and add in whatever you like. Next up, grab up 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can use tenderloins too. I just find breasts are a little bit on the cheaper side. And of course, these are boneless, skinless. So go ahead and cut these into some fairly thin strips. You know, it depends on you, but I like them about, I'd say half an inch thick. Another tip is I always have my breasts at room temperature because that just helps them to cook a little more evenly and faster. Now we'll season our chicken up with some salt. I'd say about a teaspoon. You want to do this on both sides too. Of course, some ground black pepper. Okay, now grab up those chicken strips and simply slip them into some melted unsalted butter. I melt mine in the microwave. And of course, you've guessed it, now into those everything bagels that we've ever so carefully prepared in the food processor. And tongue-in-cheek, as I say, ever so carefully. Next up, set them on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. Actually, you should get about, I'd say 15 or 20 strips out of this. Now these guys are going into a 375-degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes until they are completely done. After about 20 or 25 minutes, guys, there they are. Voila, our everything bagel chicken strips. And don't they look good? So I'm going to serve these up with a side salad because, I'm feeling a little bit on the healthy side. I don't know about you. And of course, you have to use your favorite sauce. You can use a honey mustard or just plain old ketchup, whatever you like. And believe me, you pick these up and bite into them. They are ever so delicious. Considering they're made with a very, very, very few ingredients, they are just incredible. And, of course, an everything bagel. And I did decide to serve mine up with a mayo dip that I made up, and they were so good. So if you like what you saw, give us a like. It does help us out. And most of all, subscribe.